This is the most easiest yet yummiest chicken curry you can make at home in just 30 minutes. For preparation, grab a large size onion. Finely chop and dice in small pieces. Next, grab a garlic. Put 5 cloves of peeled garlic into the blender. Add 100 ml of water and blend to make garlic puree. These are the spices. You can use salt according to your taste, and if you want to increase the heat level, add some more chili. Now, put your pot on low heat, add oil. Add onions and fry them until they're beautiful golden brown. Next, add 100 ml of boiling hot water and cook for 2 minutes until the water has dried a little. Now it's time for the chicken. Add your chicken and let it cook for 5 minutes or until the chicken has changed its color. Add your garlic puree into the pot, mix it, and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add all of your spices and mix it well and cook for 10 minutes. Let that chicken marinate into the beautiful blend of spices. After 10 minutes, add 500 ml of boiling hot water. Let it boil 2 to 3 times. After that, put the lid back on and let it simmer on low heat for another 5 minutes. Your delicious, easy to make, authentic chicken curry is ready to serve. Garnish it with green chili. Sprinkle some garam masala if you want. Serve it while it's hot with chapati, naan or rice. Do try it out at home and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Enjoy.